Hey everybody, it's Jerry, and today I'm going to show you how to make a pistachio cake. And it's a really simple cake to make. The topping is going to be a carob ganache. You can make it chocolate very easily as well. And very simple. Let me show you how to do it. We're going to start off with 3 teaspoons of psyllium husk. And then add 3/4 of a cup of water. And just mix that together and let it sit for a minute to thicken. Next, we're going to add 1 cup of sugar, a 1/2 cup of vegan milk, a 1/3 of a cup of oil, 1 cup of brown rice flour, 1 cup of tapioca flour, two tablespoons of baking powder, and a 1/2 teaspoon of xanthan gum. Mix that all together. And then just beat it by hand for a minute. Next, we're going to take 1 cup of pistachios, put them in a food processor, and just grind them until they're finely ground. And then add the ground pistachios into the batter. And mix it until it's all combined. And then, if you like, you can add a few drops of green food coloring. Mix that in, it'll just give it a nicer green shade to the cake. And then we're going to take a 9-inch springform pan, which has been sprayed with oil and floured with a little brown rice flour. And then take a baking nail and place it in the center of the pan if you have one. I highly recommend that. And pour the batter into the pan around the nail. And just shake the pan to get it nice and even. And try to get the nail nice and centered in there. And bake it at 350 degrees for around 45 minutes until a toothpick comes out clean. And once it's cooled a little bit, we can remove the sides and invert it onto your serving dish or whatever surface you're serving from. Take off the top, and then you can remove the baking nail. And then add the sides back onto the cake again. And now we're going to make our ganache topping. So we're going to take a 1/2 cup of coconut butter, place it in a saucepan. And we're going to add a 1/4 cup of sugar. And a 1/4 cup of carob powder or cocoa powder if you want to make it chocolate. And just begin to heat that up over medium heat while we add in our coconut cream from the coconut milk can that's been chilled overnight. Just scoop out the cream from the top. And continue heating that and mixing it as it's all melting together, and just continue stirring. and eventually you'll get a nice liquidy consistency. You can add more of the coconut water from the coconut can if it's too thick. And once it's all nice and smooth, we're going to pour it back on top of the cake. And then just tilt the cake gently just to get it to run nice and to the edges. And then if you like, you can take some ground pistachios and sprinkle them around the outside edge. Makes for a nice decoration. And then we're going to let this cool and chill it until it's nice and set, and remove the sides, and it's ready to serve. Thanks everybody for watching. Please tune in next time for some more recipes, and remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.